Hey guys, how you doing? This is Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance. And I just want to come on and talk to you about the four things you need to have in place when it comes to putting together your finances, guys. Now, listen to me closely. When it comes to mastering your finances, right, there's four things you got to master. Number one, you got to know what's your FIN number. You got to know what is your final income number, meaning that you got to know how much you need and how much you need to save when it comes to your retirement. Number two, you need to make sure that you know what is your budget. You got to know how much did you save and how much can you spend. And number three, you definitely got to have what's called a financial goal where you know what is your financial foundation. And number four, you definitely got to know how to build wealth, how to grow your investments, and what are the step-by-step process that you need to take. That's the reason why you got to learn how to master your finances and learn the four simple steps that it takes to make you a very wealthy person. It is a step-by-step process and it's quite simple. All you got to do is reach out and I'll teach you how to do it. All right, let's go to all the way to the top and let's do some big things. My name is Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance. Talk to you soon.